Hey there, health champions. Welcome to Healthism. Did you know that a 2019 study from the University of Missouri showed that high-protein breakfasts could significantly reduce cravings and support weight loss throughout the day? It's true, and if you're someone who's tired of the mid-morning slump, this video is for you. Let's dive into some delicious, healthy, and protein-packed breakfast ideas that not only fuel your day, but keep you energized and satisfied. Whether you're in the USA, India, or the Philippines, we've got something for everyone. Why protein? It's simple. Protein slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar, and helps you stay full longer. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just stay healthy, protein is the foundation. In fact, experts recommend starting your day with at least 20 to 30 grams of protein for optimal results. But what does that look like? Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. Let's start with something simple and classic. Our first high-protein meal is a veggie omelet. Packed with eggs, spinach, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of cheese, this dish is a protein powerhouse. Here's why it works. 2 eggs give you about 12 grams of protein, and when you add in some cheese and veggies, you're easily hitting that 20-gram mark. Want to take it up a notch? Add some chicken sausage on the side for an extra protein punch. Next, we head to India for a traditional yet protein-packed dish, mung dal chilla. Made from split green gram mung dal, this savory lentil pancake is loaded with plant-based protein. One serving offers about 10 to 12 grams of protein, and when paired with curd or a side of paneer, you're easily doubling that. It's not only delicious, but also a fantastic way to keep you energized throughout the day. Now, let's go to the Philippines for a savory and hearty breakfast, chicken tocino with eggs. While tocino is usually a sweet and savory dish, using lean chicken breast instead of pork keeps it light, but packed with protein. Pair it with scrambled or fried eggs for a complete high-protein meal that will keep you satisfied for hours. You're looking at roughly 25 grams of protein in this delicious combo. Pressed for time? Don't worry, we've got a quick fix. A bowl of Greek yogurt with berries is not only easy, but also packed with about 15 grams of protein per serving. Add some chia seeds or nuts for an extra boost. This is perfect for those mornings when you need something quick yet nutritious. We get it. Mornings can be chaotic. That's why meal prepping is your best friend. Take 30 minutes on Sunday to prepare your breakfasts for the week. Make a batch of mung dal chilla or pre-cook your chicken for easy access. Having protein-packed options ready to go means you're less likely to grab something unhealthy when you're in a rush. Remember, protein is just one part of the equation. Pair it with healthy fats like avocado or nuts and complex carbs like whole grains or sweet potatoes for a well-rounded meal. The balance of protein, fats, and carbs helps fuel your day, keeps you full, and supports your metabolism. And there you have it. Whether it's a savory veggie omelet from the USA, a traditional mung dal chilla from India, or a delicious chicken tocino from the Philippines, these meals are sure to power your day. Which one are you going to try tomorrow morning? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed these meal ideas, make sure to like this video and share it with a friend who needs some breakfast inspiration. And subscribe for more tips to stay healthy and energized. Stay healthy, stay fueled, and I'll see you in the next one.